What's your impression of Nanning?
Yeah, it's a great city. We went out into the town yesterday to the shopping centre, and it's been a good tournament so far.
I'd like to say thank you for the reception and the welcome you gave us. I think the support's been brilliant and we all enjoyed playing in front of you.
This is China and this is the cup, so please bring the China Cup home. I became a Wales fan from the last summer of the European game, and I remember the game we played Belgium is astonishing, and Big Sam, you scored the final goal to kill the game, and that night I just feel that this is a team with 22 brilliant players, with a fascinating passion, great spirit, proud of self-identity. This is why I love Wales. This is why we love football. China fans from the Chinese Wales Fan Group Club.
芭蕾舞